the size of this fir. It came down as firs do from natural causes or a storm and loose footing, but they don't live nearly as they live about the 1/10 the life of a redwood, if not less. They grow fast, they live hard, and sometimes they fall hard. And what is that? That is a redwood there. I think it's gonna be okay if it's a redwood. Kind of hard to tell. It's on the fire side of the fire break, which is right here. Just a windy spot right near the peak. And it is still mellow. Given the conditions, it is as mellow as it could be.